Installing a new door can transform the look, comfort, and security of your Baytown home. Whether it's a front entry door, a patio slider, or a custom interior piece, proper installation is critical to ensuring lasting performance. Unfortunately, many homeowners attempt a DIY installation or hire unqualified help, leading to problems that can cost more in the long run. Here are the most common door installation mistakes Baytown homeowners should avoid, and how to get it right the first time. Ignoring door measurements. One of the most frequent errors homeowners make is failing to take precise measurements. Even a fraction of an inch can mean the difference between a snug fit and an air-leaking gap. A door that's too small can rattle or swing open on its own, while an oversized door won't close properly. In Baytown's humid climate, improper fitting can also cause wood doors to swell, warp, or stick. Always measure both the door and the frame multiple times and consider seasonal expansion and contraction before installation. Overlooking frame and subfloor condition. Before placing a new door, it's essential to inspect the frame and threshold. Many homeowners focus solely on the door slab, forgetting that a solid frame supports its performance. If the existing frame is rotted, cracked, or uneven, installing a new door won't solve underlying issues. Moisture damage and termites are common culprits in Baytown homes due to high humidity levels. Replacing or repairing damaged framing materials ensures that the new door stays aligned and operates smoothly. Skipping weatherproofing and insulation. In coastal Texas, where storms and humidity are regular challenges, neglecting weatherproofing can lead to energy loss and water intrusion. Homeowners often forget to install or replace weather stripping, door sweeps, or insulation foam. Without these components, air leaks can cause higher utility bills and make your HVAC system work harder. Proper sealing around the edges keeps your home comfortable and protects the door frame from long-term moisture damage. Using the wrong fasteners or hardware. Another mistake homeowners make is using incorrect screws, nails, or hinges for the door type and weight. Lightweight interior screws won't hold up against heavy exterior doors, especially steel or solid wood models. Using the wrong hinges can cause sagging, squeaking, or uneven operation over time. Always choose hardware rated for the specific door material and size, and don't skimp on quality. Cheap components can shorten the life of even the best door. Misaligning the door or hinges. Alignment is everything when it comes to a functional door. A common sign of poor installation is when the door sticks, rubs against the jamb, or doesn't latch properly. Misaligned hinges or an uneven threshold are often the culprits. When installing, make sure the frame is perfectly square, the hinges are flush, and the strike plate aligns with the latch. Taking the extra time to level and plumb the frame ensures smooth operation for years to come. Neglecting the finishing touches. After the main installation, many homeowners skip critical finishing steps like sealing edges, caulking joints, or painting exposed wood. These small details protect the door from humidity, pests, and premature wear, especially in Baytown's weather-prone environment. Applying paint or sealant not only enhances curb appeal but also prevents moisture from seeping into vulnerable areas. A well-finished door installation looks professional and stands the test of time. De-installation without proper tools or experience. While DIY projects can be rewarding, door installation is one task best left to professionals. It requires precision tools, structural knowledge, and experience with leveling, framing, and sealing. A single mistake can lead to drafts, water leaks, and costly repairs. Hiring a licensed and experienced Baytown door installer ensures that the job meets safety standards and warranty requirements while saving you time and stress. Final thoughts. Avoiding these common door installation mistakes can make all the difference in your home's comfort, security, and efficiency. From accurate measurements to professional craftsmanship, every step matters. If you're planning to replace or install a new door in your Baytown home, invest in expert installation to ensure lasting results. A properly installed door doesn't just look great, it performs beautifully for years to come.